Allora, good evening. Today we're going to do Parmigiana for two again, the usual. Me and Lisa. Anyway, first of all, what to do is chop tomato, 400 gram thin, chop, peeled, whatever tomato. We make tomato sauce. So, touch of olive oil, a drip of olive oil, chopped garlic, chopped up until it's brown. Then add the tomato, stir it, put some black pepper and salt and some basil, fresh basil. Now the basil, a lot of people say don't use a knife, it's a lot of rubbish. You can use a knife, you can use your hands, it doesn't matter what you do. Just chop and put them. And then let it cook for about 10 minutes. The most 10 minutes. The other, now we start with the aubergine. Right, aubergine, we got 2 aubergine, that's too many, 1 is enough for 2. But we're doing more anyway. So you peel the aubergine and then cut and slice, about centimeter thick. Put in a dish, pan, whatever you feel like, with salt. Like that, I've already done, so I'll show you the last one. Like that, you put a layer, salt, little bit salt, and another layer, another bit salt, another layer, another bit salt, and then you've done what you needed to do. That brings the juice out of it and it doesn't taste bitter, basically. Then what you do, Parmesan cheese, you get all the Parmesan, already made a mess because it's done already. Parmesan cheese, 3 eggs, whisk it, you put once it's been 5 minutes, the aubergine, put the aubergine and the Parmesan cheese, like this, Parmesan cheese, and then you put them in an egg. You do an egg, and then on the frying pan, with olive oil, and you just fry them. Don't worry about the mess, doesn't matter. Fry them that way. I've done them already. This is the last bit, so you do it one side, okay? And then you turn around when they're brown. Now, what to do with this, rather than throw away, this is all it is egg and Parmesan cheese. Make a small omelette, an omelette, frittata, that's what we call it, frittata. Okay, you can just do that at the same time as well when you're done the end. At the end of it, not that you need to use it. Okay? And let it fry one side. When it starts to get brown, put the heat up a bit. Clean my hands. Just to make sure. Don't forget a glass of wine. That helps cooking. And what you do is just, once they start to get brown, you turn them around. And you put in a cool place. I've actually done it before already. That's how they should be. That way. Just I throw them on the worktop clean, obviously, and just to cool down. And then since it's going the same way here, so you can see not quite yet, but excited anyway. Have to be a bit brownish. Meantime, even if the servers are ready, that's just the end of the eggs. Rather than throw them away, like most people do, just make a cheese frittata. That's it. Going that way now. That's it. Come around. Just turn them around. Let it go to the other side. Okay, that way. Now. We can start doing, while that's cooking, we can start to do the Parmigiana just to see how it's done. Take the size of dish you want, that should be enough for 2. So just go that way. Faster cooking, doesn't matter, it's been cooking before anyway, but just keep it going. That's just plain tomato sauce with basil. I put oregano as well, because oregano, I say oregano should be. This is from Italy, my own land. That's it, just some oregano. Ah, this one is coming up. Alright. Yeah, put them down as well. You can put the heat off now. and just take them off. That's that done. Let's put these down as well. Yeah, perfect. See, nice and full. Both sides. Because you're going to put in the oven again, so don't worry about cooking. That's perfect. Right, now start with this. This is ready as well, because again this will cook in the oven together with the Parmigiana. So what we're going to have is bring back the dish. All you do is down it. Spoon, knife, or whatever seems easier for you. All you need to do is don't worry about being liquid or whatever, because cooking chopped up, not quite perfect, no matter when you have an oil fix it. Layer of tomato, then the aubergine. Make sure they overlap a wee bit, like this, so you don't get bad. And you just keep going all the way around, fill up the dish. Alright. Now, here is a tricky bit. Now you can put all the things you want. Normally, what? You add first the tomato again, another layer of tomato. Don't exaggerate it, just to cover up so it doesn't dry out. That way, you sure. Okay, like that. Then you can add more, which I personally like it. Oregano. And should be some couple of leaves of basil. Cheese, that's the whole point about it. Parmigiana, it should be Parmigiana. But don't worry about that. If you don't have Parmigiano, you can use another cheese. Cheddar, Manchego, goat cheese, whatever you like. That's still be good. But this is the way we do it. Parmigiano. You can also do some of these. Some people put mozzarella as well, but it's not necessary. And you keep going with another layer of aubergine. And then you fill them all up and you use them up. You can do 2 layer, 3 layer, no matter. Just once the dish is full, it's enough. Or you don't have to full if you don't have enough, doesn't matter. Again, tomato first. You can put pepper in between if you like pepper, more pepper, no problem. I already done some in the sauce, so that's okay as well. As long as it doesn't stick, that's it. Because eventually it all cooks together. Again, oregano, couple of leaves of basil. Don't want to adopt the basil because of burn. But this is not the last bit, so that's right. Basically repeated the same idea. I think we'll go just enough. This is Parmesan shaving, it's the same thing. All work together. Last one, well, we might not manage, but we'll do what we got. Oh yeah, I think just. Any more? No. Perfect. I'll do it. Try and cover as much as possible. Don't have to use all the tomato, you can leave some for another day. Tomato is always good to add to anything, so if you got some left over, don't throw away. Never throw away anything because it can be used into another dish. Just finish it off, we do it that way. And put the oregano on the top. And all the basil burns, just burns. This is like homemade stuff rather than restaurant stuff, but it's clean enough, just as good, it's quick and easy. And what you do, oven 200 degrees underneath, 30 minutes, maybe less, 20 minutes, See how it is. When it starts to get brown, ends together, it's ready. Take out, cut it, and serve it. Now you can serve it with just on its own, with bread, or you can have some salad beside it, green salad more ideally. That's it, nice starter, main course, whatever. You can, if it cools down, you can use the next day, cold, it's just as good. I think it should be ready now, let's see. Yeah, that's it. Nice brown, just nice color. What you need to do is, you can bring it to the table right now, and just put some, let it rest for a bit, 5 minutes. Like you can serve it like that, bring it to the table, and then you just cut the portions you want, the size you want. This is actually for portion, but whatever. Okay, that should be ready. Thank you. Buon appetito.